Look at that, wheelies. This man has car taste.
It's got a 392 Hemi in it.
Look at the clearance.
What is this?
Ford built these in England.
This car is a Ford?
Yeah.
Amazing.
Man, the size of this thing. It's the biggest motor out here today, and it makes some noise. Wow, it is hot out there.
It is definitely hot.
And
It's
crowded.
summertime.
But not too hot for this backdraft Cobra that I'm driving.
Well, no wonder you're hot. You're
Wait a
sitting in
minute.
a Cobra.
A Cobra? Oh,
Yeah.
let me
mean-
guess. Let me guess. Haggerty dry share?
Absolutely.
He caught on.
I did
He
finally.
caught on.
Took you long enough. So what have you been doing?
I went back to school, believe it or not.
School.
School.
School. You're a little old for that, aren't you?
Listen, I went to the driving club at Road Atlanta.
So when we have somebody like Ricky that comes in, he has more experience of driving at these speeds, so it's custom tailored to his experience level.
Off throttle, brake. Off the brake. Back to throttle. You got in there a little too hot, so we're gonna brake harder.
They taught you how to make turns.
Watch me work.
Speaking of racers, Catherine Legg is back. Lamborghini driving these days, so that'll be fun to see her.
Oh, yeah.
The original Model A's made about 35 horsepower. This makes about 60.
It's not about the ultimate speed, because if you were doing 100 miles an hour in this thing, you'd feel like it was,
Scared to death?
scared to death. Exactly.
Well, let's go. Let's go see some cars.
I saw something really unique out there. There's an airplane engine out there.
An airplane engine?
Airplane engine.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Some nice stuff here. Very clean, very clean. Uh, 30. What is this? Hey, buddy,
Hey,
what is this?
it's a 1934 Ford extended cab truck.
Wait a minute, I didn't see the bed. They came like this?
No, all that's handmade by me. We took a truck cab and parts of a 32 Ford, 33 Ford car,
And cut
added
it
all
off?
this together, made a mold, and made this 34 extended cab truck.
Really?
Yeah.
I like the latch on there. You got kind of back end. Very nice.
With extended cab, you can get a larger driver, a taller driver.
So wait a minute. If this wasn't extended,
You'd be up here.
what? Wait a minute. So you would be like this.
Yes, there you go.
So this would be the back of the truck, and you would be this close to the dash.
Steering wheel rub your stomach, even a small guy.
Wow, this is unbelievable. So I'm looking at the shifter. I'm looking at the tack. It tells me that we got something beefy under the hood.
We got a lot of horsepower here. Started out as a 350, I added 46 cubic inches to it. 396 small block.
Putting out how much horsepower?
Makes 550 horsepower and 2,000 pounds.
Can I hear it?
Sure.
Ooh, drag pipe. Talk to me, baby. Yeah, I hear you. What'd you say? Oh, yeah. The world's only extended cab 1934. Dude, great job on the truck.
Thank you.
I like it.